when you have a river or something so dynamic there,
Right.
you have to think a step ahead, and what that would be.
See, not an easy challenge because your design envelope is very fuzzy.
Yeah.
So
And I think most of the parameters are, some of the parameters are not even known.
Yeah.
So you have to assume that this might happen,
correct.
and then I have to be prepared for
Right.
that.
So simple, erosion rates, what is the velocity of river water flowing through, what is the kind of contaminants in the water, what is the erosion rate it is going to have, what kind of material can you put in the foundation for that. It starts from basics there. Then going back to, the thumb rule used to be from a civil design perspective, these flood marks, right? So what are you trying to protect against? You're building a shelter, right? So you're putting against rains, you're putting against floods, you're putting against fire, you're putting against wind and cold, right? So that is the shelter.
Who is the enemy?
Right? So it's not an easy challenge, but again, one has to question, what is the purpose? Why do people want to go and stay so close to the river?
Yes.
You need to come back and you say, sometimes the design is all about questioning, why do you do it? Why? And to ask 3-4 whys, then you kind of get a better understanding of what you're trying to do there. So if you, next thing is, why do you want to have a permanent facility on the river bank?
Correct.
That's the next question you're going to have. So, and then you say, okay, if it is going to be permanent facility, then I have to be prepared for eventualities. The eventuality may not be just designing for that. It might be designing evacuation measures. How do I bring people safely out? I know the building will get destroyed, but how do I ensure I make a mechanism to keep people safe or bring them out safely? That also is a part of the design.
Right.